Let's talk about something that's quietly happening behind the scenes this tax season because it's costing people time, money, and peace. Amended tax returns are on the rise. And no, that's not a coincidence. Under the one big beautiful bill, the margin for sloppy or rushed tax filing got a lot smaller. What people used to fix later is now triggering longer delays, deeper reviews, and unnecessary stress. Here's the misunderstanding. People think an amended return means I'll just correct it. No big deal. It happens all the time. But this tax season, amendments are not casual. An amended return puts your taxes back into review. It pauses processing. It delays refunds. And depending on what's changed, it can invite additional scrutiny. That doesn't mean amendments are bad. It means they should be intentional, not reactive. Most amendments I'm seeing this season come from the same mistakes: rushed filing without full documents, income left off because it was small, and credits applied incorrectly, filing status chosen too quickly, and internet advice followed without verification. And once the return is filed, fixing it takes longer than getting it right the first time. This is why I keep telling people this tax season is not about speed, it's about accuracy and clarity. OBBB tightened the system, so returns that change after filing don't just slide back in line. They get re-reviewed. That's why people are waiting months after amending, sometimes with no updates. And here's the part nobody tells you. Some amendments help you, some hurt you, and some were never necessary in the first place. That's why you should never amend just because you're nervous. Amendments should be strategic, supported, and clearly justified. This is where proper tax preparation saves you from cleanup work later. When we prepare your taxes together, we slow the process down before filing. We make sure all income is accounted for and credits are supported, filing status is correct, and documents align so you don't end up fixing what could have been done right the first time. All of my tax prep appointments are 100% virtual, which means we can review everything calmly, no scrambling. Now let's talk about overflow because this is where people really get it. Overflow doesn't come from amending returns every year. It comes from understanding your taxes before they're filed. When people understand how their taxes work, they stop reacting, they stop panicking, they stop guessing. This is also why I'm preparing to release my new coaching program and series built on tax clarity as the foundation. Because once you understand your taxes, you make better decisions across the board. If you feel like you need a tax coach, slide into my DMs. That door is open intentionally. But right now, hear this clearly: amending is not a strategy, rushing is not a shortcut, and getting it right the first time is the real win this tax season. I'm trying to tell you some good things.